human singers have range? Meet nature's ultimate living audio recorder. This is the Superb Lyrebird, and its superpower will absolutely blow your mind. To win over a mate, the males build a stage out of dirt. Then they throw their spectacular tail feathers completely over their heads. But the real show isn't what they look like. It's what they say. That isn't a sci-fi sound effect. That is 100% organic bird vocalization. They can replicate almost any sound they hear in their forest environment, from chainsaws and camera shutters to car alarms. Nothing is off limits. They actually possess two independent vocal cords to produce these dual frequencies. If a female likes his playlist, he secures the ultimate prize,